Hey, what's up, guys? So, you like my new hat? Just got this. So today, what I want to talk about, this is going to be a quick video, is the second type of FRQ in the exam, the FRQ Concept Application. Okay, I'm going to go over the basics of this, and then you're going to practice a couple, okay? So let's get right into it. So the Concept Application presents you with an authentic scenario, okay? You're going to be given, it's basically going to be like a paragraph you got to read, and it's going to give you an example, a real-world example, real-world scenario. We've done these lots of different scenarios in every different unit that we've learned, so seeing real scenarios should not be new to you guys, hopefully. Okay? This question will always assess your ability to describe and explain the effect of a political institution, behavior, or process. Okay? So part A, a lot of times you just need to describe. Part A usually just have you simply identify or describe a political institution, behavior, or process. Okay. Now the next slide, I'm going to give you some examples of what are institutions, behaviors, or processes. Okay. Next, part B usually has you explain how your answer from part A interacts with another part of the government. Okay. So part A, you'll identify something, an institution, behavior, or a process, and then you're going to have to explain how that answer relates to another part of the government. Okay. Part C will vary, okay, in what it asks you to do, but it usually, spelled that wrong, but it usually relates to how parts of the government interact. So as you notice, okay, there's no required parts like the argument of essay. However, it is really important to know how the parts of the government interact. This is Unit 2. Okay, so if you're studying, I would put a lot of focus onto Unit 2. Okay, for this concept application, because you got to, knowing that how the branches interact is important for this part of the exam. Okay, it's not guaranteed it's going to ask you about one of the branches, but you can probably guess it's gonna have something to do with one of the three branches of the government. Okay, so what are institutions, process, and behavior? An example of an institution is the presidency, Congress, courts, the bureaucracy, the military, the media. These are just parts of the government. Okay, when it says institution, it just means a part of the government, something that makes up the government. Okay, a process is any process in government. It could be lawmaking, judicial review, elections, anything that's a process in the context of politics could be asked in these FRQs. And a behavior, any political behavior like voting, protesting, lobbying, petition, extension, things that people do to practice their politics. Okay, is basically what behavior means. So again, these three things are what's going to be the focus of these FRQs. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to complete the following two concept application FRQs on the Google Doc provided. The two FRQs are right in the Google Doc. Okay, pay close attention if it says identify, if it says explain, describe. Okay, if it says identify, you just need to name it. If it says explain, you need to explain it. Describe it means you're going to describe it in detail. Okay, I'm going to probably, what is today? Today's Wednesday. Probably on Friday, I'm going to give you, College Board put out kind of this sheet on the verbs and how to explain what, describe, identify, what those all mean. So I'm going to go over that as well with you guys. So take a try at these types of FRQs. Take your best shot at it. Again, make sure you email me if you have questions. Don't comment on Google Classroom. It doesn't notify me, so then it takes me longer to figure out who's commenting. So just email me if you're struggling with these, and I can help you guys out, okay? Y'all have a great day. Peace.